Hi everyone. Oh my goodness guys, we got something so awesome and special for you guys today. I just did an extra small braid weave, but there's a twist to this braid weave. It's just not any ordinary braid weave. Over here we have Nikki, and she has dreadlocks, gorgeous dreadlocks behind the braid weave. I mean, nothing has ever been done like this, folks. This is in, it's hot, it's the new do. She's got gorgeous long honey blonde dreadlocks, and in the front she's got a braid weave. Can you, oh my god, awesome! You too can get this style, and it's only done here at Braids Your Way. So I know you guys love this style. Pick up that phone and call us at 323-758-5602. Again, it's 323-758-5602. Is there anything you'd like to say, Nikki?
No, I love my hair. I'm so glad I came, and I'm going to keep coming back.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so wonderful.
I love it.
Thank you so much. So here at Braids Your Way, our motto is, if you don't look good, we don't look good. Ciao, Nikki.